This is a supported cable, single leg step down with an ipsilateral or same side load. Now you're going to set your cable to the lowest setting possible and use the handle attachment. You're also going to need something like a dowel, a broom pole, PVC pipe, something that you can hold on to support you. The height that we're starting with is about anywhere from 8 to 12 inches to start. Kind of obviously what you can control in this movement. To progress this exercise, you can elevate that surface so that you're in about 90 degrees of hip flexion at the top. So to start here, a couple things that I want you to think about in terms of foot pressures. So when my foot is on the box, I want to feel the contact of the base of the big toe and the inner arch of the heel. It doesn't mean that I lose contact with the other side, but I can reference that kind of medial arch of the foot through the whole time. Now, the next piece is because this cable is going to want to pull me away from that load, we want to make sure that we start with our hip square one, but we're actually going to slightly turn our sternum towards the same side. So in this case, right hand has the cable. I'm going to turn my sternum slightly to the right side. So I'm going to set up here now. I'm going to grab a hold of that cable, foot placed on that box. Now I'm going to make sure that at that top position, one, I'm referencing that inner arch, my hips are square, and my sternum, right, if that's a rudder, is slightly turning towards my right arm in this case. From here, I'm going to initiate the movement by kind of hinging at the hip and then allowing that knee to bend, touch down nice and controlled, push through that medial arch. Nice and controlled the whole time. Hips are staying square. Sternum has that little turn to that side. You'll feel probably some of that back glute working on that same side that you're working. You might even feel a little bit of a stretch through your shoulder blade on the side that you're holding the cable because we're a little bit turned there and opening up some space through that movement. Like I said, in order to progress this movement, we can elevate the box and make it more challenging.